And can it be that I should gain an interest in the Savior's blood? Died he for me, who caused his pain, for me who am to death's pursuit. Amazing love, how can it be that thou, my God, should die for me? Amazing love, how can it be that thou, my God, should die for me? And can it be that I should gain an interest in the Savior's blood? Died he for me, who caused his pain, for me who am to death's pursuit. Amazing love, how can it be that thou, my God, should die for me? Amazing love, how can it be that my God should die